The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have engaged 7 command posts near settlements of Metalovka, Dvurechная in Kharkov region, Illichovka, Toretsk, Yakovlivka, Podgornoye in Donetsk People's Republic, Gulay-Pole in Zaporozhye region, as well as 64 artillery units at their firing positions. Manpower and military equipment concentration in 156 areas. 3 munition depots have been eliminated close to the settlements of Chervona Dolina in Kharkov region, Novogrigorovka in Zaporozhye region, and Bereznigovatoye in Nikolaev region. 2 launching ramps of S-300 Ukrainian air defense system have been destroyed near Kupiansk in Kharkov region and Novoyelizavetovka in Odessa region. Within the counter-battery warfare, 2 Ukrainian artillery batteries have been neutralized near Glushkovka in Kharkov region, as well as 1 US-manufactured HIMARS MLRS platoon near Drobyshevo in Donetsk People's Republic. Russian air defense facilities have shut down 1 Su-25 airplane of Ukrainian Air Force near Trifonovka in Kherson region. Moreover, 12 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles were shut down close to the settlements of Chaykino, Sukhanovo and Kucherskoye in Kherson region, Novoselovka, Staromayorskoye, Lugansk of the Donetsk People's Republic, and Popasnaya of the Lugansk People's Republic. 11 HIMARS and Olha MLRS projectiles were intercepted, as well as 8 HARM high-speed anti-radiation missiles close to the settlement of Kakhovka in Kherson region. In total, 324 airplanes and 161 helicopters, 2,278 unmanned aerial vehicles, 383 anti-aircraft missile systems, 5,891 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 873 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 3,489 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,652 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.